So you start inserting the tube. So you insert, you push. As the tube is going in, you also ask the patient, open up your mouth, let me see. You assess if the tube is coming from the mouth. You insert until you reach where you have made a mark. Now, meaning the tube, it has reached there. Then quickly, before you secure it, you get the end where there is artery forceps. You dip into the galley pot of water. You assess if the tube is in the stomach. Once it's in, it will be silent. Once it's in the lungs, bubbles will start coming out. If you see bubbles coming out, meaning the tube is in the lungs, quickly remove it and reinsert. Then from there, that's the first assessment. Then from there, you get your, once you dip, that's when you are supposed to unclamp. Then again, you get your syringe. You insert your syringe, at the end there, it goes in there. Once it's in, at the very end, that's when you unclamp. Then you aspirate now, you aspirate. Quickly, you aspirate like that. As you are aspirating, the food content will start coming out from the stomach, meaning the tube is in the stomach. Are we together? But sometimes if the patient is hungry for 3 days, there's nothing which is going to come out. It's at the end. Are we together? But don't push it out back to the stomach. What you do, you leave it hanging like that. You get a stethoscope, put it to your ears, place it on the xiphoid process. Then start pushing the food content back to the stomach, and the air which is there in the syringe, which is very warm and very conducive to the stomach. As you are pushing, as the food is dropping on the xiphoid process there to the stomach, you'll be able to hear the dull sound, meaning the tube is in the stomach. As simple as that. Initially, during an exam, you use those 3 measurements. The first one, dipping into the galley pot. The second one, aspiration using a syringe. The other one, use a stethoscope to assess. Once you do like that, you tell, thank you very much, I can now, I'm certified that the tube is in the stomach. Let me secure the tube. You put a strapping, secure the tube nicely there. Once you are done, you can clean the patient in case there are dirty stuff there. Clean nicely, put Vaseline on the lips of the patient, then leave your patient very comfortable. Give your IC. This tube I've inserted, you'll be able to see different nurses coming to feed you using Poles, Super Shake, yogurt, different types of liquid food stuff, which they're going to be feeding you. Thank you very much. You mentioned about documentation part, you have given IC and everything. So the procedure ends there. You get all the marks and you smile. That's NG insertion.